Boss, may nililigawan ako dati pero di niya sinabi may BF siya. Doon ko lang nalaman ng mabuntis siya. Pero nung hindi sila nag-work nang nakabuntis sa kanya, nagparamdam ulit siya sa akin. Ano po gagawin ko? Nasa sa'yo na yan bro kung willing ka bang tanggapin siya masking may anak na siya. Kasi self-preference yan eh. Yung iba ayaw nang may anak. Yung iba okay lang. But if you're asking about the integrity of the woman, na gaya ng nabanggit mo na hindi siya naging honest na meron pala siyang BF nung nililigawan mo siya, sa part na yon, you may want to think about that. Ang nangyari kasi dito, most probably when you started courting her, medyo tagilid na yung sitwasyon nila ng BF niya. Hence, tinanggap niya yung courtship mo masking may BF siya. Kasi maraming mga babaeng ganyan, to be honest, na when things are going sideways now with their current relationships, they start lining up their orbiters. In other words, naghanap siya ng kapalit. Same lang nang nangyari sa'yo. Tinanggap niya yung courtship mo masking may BF na siya. Then, not long after, hindi na nag-work yung relationship niya sa BF niya. And then ngayon, nagpaparamdam na siya sa'yo. If I were in your shoes, Sigarilyo, I would just skip her and just move on with my life na. Bakit? Kasi simula pa lang, she was not 100% honest with you. And for me, honesty is very paramount when it comes to dating. Paano kung sabihin natin na, yeah, sige, in the future, naging kayo nga, no? Who's to say na hindi niya gagawin ulit sa'yo yung ginawa niya sa ex niya? Na when things go sideways sa relationship, maghahanap na siya ng replacement. Women like these have very low integrity and insecure. Kasi hindi nila kayang mawalan ng jowa eh. Kailangan meron muna silang ipapalit dun sa current BF nila bago silang makipaghiwalayan. A woman who has high integrity and is confident with herself, they will try and fix that relationship muna. But if they fail, they will have respect for themselves to cut ties na sa current relationship nila at may paghiwalay na. Regardless kung may kapalit man o wala. They would allow themselves to heal without jumping into another relationship. Then, when they have emotionally recovered na, they jump back into the dating scene again. But, yet again, at the end of the day, it's your decision, Sigarilyo. Kung i-entertain mo ba siya or hindi. Well, I hope nakatulong ko sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.